Welcome to our training session on how to use the Polycom VVX401. Let's start by reviewing all the key buttons on the VVX401. Here is your main keypad. Navigate the menu functions. Using this button, you can adjust your phone's volume. Please note when your handset is down and you are not on a call. Pressing this button will adjust the volume of the ringer. However, if you are on a call, it will adjust the volume of the caller. Mute yourself from the caller. Answer a call via your headset. Alternatively, you can answer via the speaker button. Access your voicemail. Call transfer. When pressed on a call, the on-screen options will change accordingly. Finally, the pause button. This button works as the hold function when on a call. Press again to resume the call. Next, we will walk through the common uses for the soft keys. Each phone setup is individual, but let's walk through some common uses for these soft keys. New call. Press this button either before or after dialing the number to commence a phone call. Directory. By pressing this button, you can not only bring up a menu of contacts stored in your phone, but it will also bring up your call history. The phone directory can be set up centrally by the business or through the CAT Communications Management portal. Forward. This gives you easy access to diverting your call to another number or voicemail when either not available or busy. DND, Do Not Disturb. This feature stops calls coming into the phone. You will also see a selection of pre-programmed speed dial contacts, which can be accessed here and here. Also, if these contacts are internal contacts, they will show you whether that person is available or on a call. If you are going into a meeting and don't want to be disturbed, press the DND button here. It will confirm it is switched on here, and to release, press again here. To place a call, dial the number or extension, then lift the handset. There is no need to press 9 before your number anymore. If you want to place the call hands-free, dial the number and then press the speaker button. To accept a call, you have 3 options. 1. Lift the handset when your phone is ringing. 2. Press the speaker button. Or 3. Press the answer button. Once you are connected to a call, you may want to move from speaker to handset. This is easy. Just lift the handset while on a speaker call. To move from handset to speaker, press the speaker button. Then you can dock the handset without any fear of dropping the call. To access your voicemail, press the message button on your phone. The default PIN number is 9638. When on a call, the soft keys buttons here will change when in use. For example, to place a caller on hold, press the hold button. Whilst on hold, the soft keys will change once again to hold, end call, transfer, and more. This will allow you to take back the call or transfer it. Alternatively, if you want to perform a blind transfer, press the transfer button while on the call, dial the receiving number and press transfer again to complete the transfer. To speak to the receiving party before transferring a call, press transfer, dial the receiving number and wait 3 seconds. The original caller gets automatically placed on hold and line 2 opens up for you to speak with the receiving party before transferring. Once the receiving party is ready, press the transfer button to connect the caller and the receiving party directly. If you want to perform a 3-way call, press the conference button while on a call, dial the party that needs to be added to the call, and press send. Once the third party is ready, press the conference button to join all the users on the same call. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.